Hi, this is Madeline from the New Brighton Library, and today we're going to be doing a balloon rocket science experiment. So in your bag you should have gotten a smoothie straw, a balloon, and a piece of paper that you can use to make little fins for your rocket. So the first step is going to be to make the fins and decorate your rocket if you choose to. So I think I'm just going to put some fins on mine. So I'm going to cut out some triangles. About 3 I think I'll do. I'm going to try to make them the same size. Alright, we have 3 triangles now, and when you're putting on little fins for your rocket, you want to leave enough room at the bottom to be able to put your mouth on it, because that's how you're going to blow up your balloon, because your balloon's going to be on the other end. So make sure you leave a little bit of space. I'm just going to use some tape to put mine on. Okay, my rocket now has 3 fins on it. Now if you had some stickers or markers and you want to decorate this part, you definitely can, but I don't think I'm going to right now. The next step is to attach your balloon. So it's going to go on this end, opposite of your fins. And you want to make sure it's taped on really good, so I think I'm going to use duct tape just to make sure none of the air escapes out. Okay, once your balloon seems secure, then you can blow it up. And when you think you have enough air in it, you can put your thumb over the end and then let it go. You might be wondering, how does this little rocket that we made actually work? So when the balloon is full of air and you have your thumb over the end, you're holding all of the air in. But when you move your thumb, all the air from the balloon is going to come out and go through the straw, and it's going to be pushing out. And since the air is going out, it's going to propel your rocket forward. I hope you had fun making your rocket, and I hope you keep checking back on the New Brighton Library Facebook and Instagram pages to stay up to date on all of the fun activities and science experiments we have going on. Thank you!